Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this Viconor red light therapy belt. I've already tested it and it worked really great, but I'm going to show you all the advantages and disadvantages. So I think it's very nice made, it's well built, everything. I haven't seen any errors or so. All the stitches, everything seems to be really good. The Velcro strap seems to be a really new invention, or so. You can really touch it here and there is almost nothing to feel, but when you use it on the other side, it sticks really well. So I think it's a really good thing. It looks very fine, but it still will stick to normal clothes. You have to be careful what you touch with things. This is really strong. So what's also good here is inside it has some protection. Here you can see we have the LED lights protected with this plastic here. So it's a little bit water and oil protected. So you don't have to be worried when you're sweating. You always can clean it. And it comes with these two different wavelengths. We have the 660 nanometers, which is the red light. And of course the red light works only on the skin directly. So you really have to wear it directly on the skin. And then we have the 850 nanometers, which can penetrate the skin and even clothes. You can wear it on a t-shirt, and that's the good thing because it's really large. I mean, this thing is huge, this super large, so you can wear it like a belt across your body, over your shoulder, and then on the other side. So you can therapy your shoulder, but you can of course wear it around your waist and then therapy your back. These are the most comfortable areas. If you want to wear it on a smaller part, like just on your arm or so, this is definitely more intended for larger body parts, for back or shoulder. But when you want to treat smaller parts, then you cannot move around, you cannot walk around, you have to sit and have it maybe on your knees or something like that. I think it's pretty powerful when we attach it. What's also good here that we have two different power sources. I mean, we have the normal power adapter for the wall plug, but we have also the USB connector, which we can just plug in here, or we can use it with a small power bank. They have also a small pouch here where a small power bank would easily fit, but also the controller would fit, but we have so much cable, so much wire here, and you have to push everything inside. I mean, it works. I've been operating this from this small power bank and it worked. What's important to know is that you have to use at least a 2 amp power bank. I mean, 2 amps is usually about standard, I would say, for normal power banks. So you don't have to buy like a high power bank, but some of the smaller ones are sometimes limited to 1 amp. This one here is rated 2 amps, so it's absolutely no problem. Make sure that you are buying a 2 amp. In instructions, they are saying the highest power or the highest intensity is the level 1 with 16 watts, but I've tested this here and it was only pulling 2 amps at 5 volts, makes 10 watts, not 16 watts. But the good thing is it would work with such a small power bank. And it's actually easy to use. We have to long press, sometimes even short press will work, goes automatically into level 1, which is the highest power, and 30 minutes. So let's plug it in here with this power bank and then also connect it here. And then we have to long press, turn it on, goes automatically into highest level and 30 minutes. And when I lift it up, you can see it's working. When we push up, it goes into second level, which is a little bit less. You can see also third level, a little bit less. Number 4, even weaker. And then number 5, we have this pulsing thing, which they are saying would be perfect for sensitive skin to totally prevent any burns. I mean, I myself, I'm using such a red light belt since long time, and I'm not using the pulsing mode, and my skin has never been burnt, but maybe it's a good thing to start on level 5 or 4 and do maybe short time. You can see you can adjust the time. It's really good. I mean, we have all the functions. It's just a little bit large, and the pouch to use it with a power bank is a little bit small. When we see it, when we push everything here inside, there's almost no space here left for all the wires, or the wires are a little bit long. I mean, it's okay when we have a long wire as an option, but would have been also nice to have a short wire as an option. But you can manage to put it inside or just let it hang down or so. I think the whole thing is really good. It is powerful, it's nicely built. We cannot complain about that. At the moment it's available for a very low price, I think only around $80. So definitely one of the cheaper ones, and I would say also a good quality. So why not? If you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.